Namaskar, good morning, and welcome everyone. I'm highly excited about this India Brand Summit and Awards 2024. This is the initiative of Elets Technomedia, and I will speak a bit of English and Hindi because brands को कहते हैं कि brands को consumer के दिमाग में नहीं जो है दिल में भी जाना चाहिए. So अगर हमें so we have to get into a mode of English. So I take your permission in advance so that I want to connect with you all. So जगजीत सिंह का एक गाना है, तेरी आँखों में मैंने क्या देखा, कभी कातिल कभी खुदा देखा. So how do we create a brand? ब्रांड जो है कातिल हो सकता है, ब्रांड जो है खुदा हो सकता है. So we are seeing products and brands around us, and how they are positioned, how they are communicated, how they are marketed, and that's all makes the difference. So a right product with a wrong marketing can be havoc, and a wrong product with the right marketing can create billions of dollars. So how do you make a zero out of a hero or a hero out of zero is all dependent on the brands and the marketing. How do we do this? So this is a very, very interesting and very, very exciting subject. And many of you are attending an event of Elets for the first time. So I will give a bit of history, not to bore you. So as Dr. Asawari gave an introduction about me, I am a engineer by my education, but never liked engineering. I always liked people. I always liked communicating. I always liked listening to things, listening to issues. And that's how I got into this field of media and communication. And over the last 2 decades, we have created, as Elets, we have created brands which have gone global. We have created conferences, workshops, training programs, education programs related to the field of IT sector, education sector, healthcare sector, governance sector, banking and finance, transportation, highways, agriculture, and many, many those, I will say, non-sexy things. But they are highly important for our social sector, for our development sector, for our growth of the country, growth of the GDP, and everything else. But over the years, we realized that we also have to expand into this communication, marketing, and branding sector. And that is how we launched our initiative of this summit, which is the India Brand Summit and Awards. We launched a portal called India Brand Story. And over the last 2 decades, we have gone to almost like 100 cities and towns of India. We have collaborated with more than 500 government departments across the country, collaborated with around 1,000 top brands in the field of IT, healthcare, education, governance, and various other sectors. And we have reached out to more than 10 countries where we have organized conferences in Dubai, Bahrain, USA, UK, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Dhaka, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and several more countries like China. So with this brief introduction, I welcome you all at this exciting and interesting event. And we have very highly renowned speakers. I am really delighted to welcome each of you. It's my honor to meet and interact with each of you. I'm honored to have top industry delegates represented here from various spheres of marketing and branding ecosystem. So with this, welcome you all. Thank you all. और जैसे कहते हैं कि अभी ये पार्टी शुरू हुई है. So welcome you all.